Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Punisher coin. Now the Punisher coin is live for pre-sale on their webpage. Ticker symbol is PUN. I saw this token advertised in a news article from coinspeaker.com where they're talking about this Punisher coin pre-sale here. So we're going to go over the information on the PUN token presale and talk about how you can get it and all that stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. This is a brand new project. You can see their Twitter just joined December 2024. 302 followers. As a link to their Telegram there. So the Twitter is at PunisherCoin_AI. The Telegram is at PUN_coin, and then their webpage, punishercoin.com. It says, no meme coin is safe. We are here to dominate. Ticker symbol PUN. Join the Punisher presale before it's too late. Blue verified checkmark, only 4 tweets so far. Now, their first tweet, it says, cooking up something lethal in the lab, presale dropping soon. Follow the retweet and sign up and secure your airdrop. Drop your ETH address below. Let's cook. And that's a tweet from December 17th. And then 3 hours ago, they said, get ready. And they posted a picture from their webpage here. And so it says, welcome to the protocol. Attention, top secret intel acquired. Classified transmission 2025 protocol. Soldier, you are early. You've just secured your position in what Intel suggests will be the most explosive meme coin of 2025. Our algorithms predict unprecedented market disruption. The strategic advantages, it says you are among the first wave of operators. Early access to the groundbreaking tokenomics. Position yourself before mass deployment. It says, warning, extreme FOMO levels detected. Intelligence report. Our reconnaissance indicates massive social engagement incoming. The normies aren't ready for what's about to hit them. And then it says, join the Telegram or join the Twitter. Critical advisory. The Punisher protocol is spreading. Those who hesitate will be left behind. So there's kind of scarce information on their webpage. There's a bunch of information on the news article that I was talking about. If you go to the Telegram, there is 721 members, 63 of them online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. Now, if you go over to their webpage, punishercoin.com, they have... it says, establish secure connection. So basically, in order to get involved with the presale, they want you to submit your email address. So just be aware of that they do want like some personal info before getting involved with the presale. And then you're going to be able to, connect your wallet and all that type of stuff and buy the token using a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, that type of thing. But unfortunately, this is one of those pre-sales that wants your email address and whatnot. So if you don't like that, then whatevs. But that's I'm not really a big fan of where they ask for a phone number or email or create a password and all that type of stuff. Like just wallet should be good enough. But anyway, so there's the CoinSpeaker article here. If you go to coinspeaker.com, it says, forget old meme coins like Dogecoin, meet Punisher Coin, the 50 times crypto presale for 2025. Now, obviously, take the claims like 50 times pre-sale. Take it with a grain of salt. They might be referring to when you get into the early stages of a pre-sale, you get the token at a discount, and then as the stages go on, the prices increase until the listing date. So that could be what they're talking about. But anyways, it says, tired of hearing about the old same meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu? Sure, they've had their moment, but the glory days might be behind them. The real action is now with meme coins. With their high returns, Punisher Coin's the latest contender that will deliver exactly that. Potentially. I don't know why, they make these crazy claims. Just, why not add potentially? Because, yeah, anyways. With the upcoming pre-sale, exclusive early access through a limited whitelist. So you're going to have to put in your email, I guess, and try to get on the whitelist before you could even get into the pre-sale. So just be aware of that as well. And a unique utility-driven ecosystem, Punisher Coin is shaping up to be one of the best investment opportunities for those aiming to score massive gains in 2025. And so, yeah, so Punisher Coin's pre-sale hasn't officially started yet. I mean, according to their Twitter, it seems like it just started. So it says, but there's always a frenzy around the exclusive whitelist. It says there's only 1,000 whitelist spots available, and whitelist members get first dibs on the pre-sale before it's open to the public. So it says, here's the deal. Early access means better pricing. That's kind of what I just said earlier before it hits public exchanges, centralized and decentralized exchanges. Meme coins, it says timing is everything. Getting in early in the pre-sale could make the difference on your return on investment. And whitelist spots are filling up quickly. And it says this means utility meets viral potential. Unlike many other meme coins that lack substance, Punisher Coin introduces real-world utility through the Mean Meme Machine, a platform where users can create and monetize memes. So you can create memes. Users can craft their own memes using customized templates and keywords. There's also community voting. The top memes are selected through weekly voting rounds. And there's NFT tokenization. So winning memes are turned into NFTs on Solana, with the creators earning direct profits from sales. This innovative approach not only keeps the community engaged, but also ensures that there's a continuous flow of content and value being generated within the ecosystem. With a goal of tokenizing 9,999 memes, Punisher Coin is set to become a hub for meme creators looking to cash in on their own creativity. So yeah, there's tons of other information here on this news article. They talk about airdrops and pun tokens and exclusive merchandise, invitation to real-world events, including live music, contests and parties, and exclusive DAO governance, giving token holders voting rights and a voice in the project's future. So go check out this token here. You can find their Twitter in the corner of the screen, which also has a link to their Telegram and their webpage. So all the links you're going to need are going to be on this Twitter right here. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.